A major leap in camera technology is quietly coming to iPhone 16 owners with the upcoming iOS 26, offering a feature that many thought was exclusive to the newest iPhone 17. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple has introduced a completely new bright photographic style, and it's not just reserved for the latest model as initially implied. One of the standout camera innovations on the iPhone 16 was the introduction of next-generation photographic styles. These are often mistaken for simple filters, but Apple's approach is far more sophisticated than the typical post-photo effect. Rather than tweaking a photo after it's taken, photographic styles adjust how the camera processes an image during capture itself. This means the changes are visible right in the camera app's viewfinder before you even press the shutter button, giving you a more accurate preview of the final shot. At the iPhone 17 launch event, Apple revealed the new Bright Photographic Style, designed to enhance skin tones and add a lively vibrance throughout the image. Though Apple initially presented this feature as exclusive to the iPhone 17 series, it turns out that this vibrant camera upgrade will roll out to a wide range of iPhone 16 models as well. Specifically, the following devices will receive the Bright Photographic Style via the iOS 26 update: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you're already testing the iOS 26 release candidate on your iPhone 16 series device, you can start experimenting with the Bright style immediately. For everyone else, the official iOS 26 release is scheduled for Monday, September 15, giving millions of users access to this fresh camera capability very soon. When I first tried photographic styles on the iPhone 16, I tended to stick to the default setting because the others didn't quite feel right for my photos. However, the introduction of the Bright style has piqued my curiosity, and I'm eager to see if this new look will change my mind. It's worth asking, which photographic style do you prefer when snapping pictures? Are you excited to try the new Bright option and see if it transforms your shots as well? This development also opens up a broader conversation about how Apple manages feature rollouts across device generations. Is it fair or even strategic to debut features alongside new models only to extend them afterward to prior devices? And does this lessen the incentive to upgrade every year, or does it help build goodwill among loyal users? We'd love to hear your take on this in the comments. Do you think Apple should keep innovations exclusive or be more generous in supporting older hardware? On a related note, here are some top accessories that can complement your iPhone experience. AirPods Pro 2, currently discounted from $249 to $199. MagSafe car mount for iPhone, perfect for hands-free driving. HomeKit Smart Plug 4-pack, to make your home smarter with ease. 10-year battery lifespan AirTag case, 2-pack, ensuring your trackers last longer. 100-watt USB-C fast-charging power adapter for rapid device charging. Remember, these affiliate links support our work at no extra cost to you. What do you think about the new Bright Photographic Style? Will it change the way you use your iPhone's camera? Drop your thoughts below. We're eager to start the conversation.